Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Get Gorgeous. I hope you're all doing good, staying safe at your place, and of course staying gorgeous. So in today's video I'm going to share one beauty secret, and this secret, when revealed, you will see, this was the secret. This is such a minute thing and it has so many benefits. So what's the wait, guys? Let's get started. So the beauty product, the beauty secret I was talking about was this. So these are capsules Evion 400. These are vitamin E capsules which are very easily available in the market. You don't need to worry from where will I get it. And the best part of these capsules is it only retails for rupees 32. Only 32 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. It's not very costly. It is easily available. First two priorities we are done with. What's the main concern of every girl is whether it is easily available and what's the price of the product. So these two we are sorted. So now comes its uses and how to use this. So guys, how to use it. I'm taking out the capsule. Now how to take out the oil from the capsule. Just prick the needle inside it like this. Yes, and now you can see the oil comes out like this. Don't use the scissor, because if you use the scissor it will get wasted and we don't want that at all. So now I'll start with the uses. So the first use I'm going to tell you is you can use it as a lip balm. Yes, if your lips get chapped, you can use it as a lip balm. It's very easy to use. Just before going to the sleep in the night, you can use it as a lip balm, and the next morning you will see the difference in your lips. They will get more softer. So now comes the second use. When you apply a moisturizer on your skin, whether on your body or on your face, you can put or add some drops of these capsules into the moisturizer and just give it a mix and apply it on your face and give it a circular motion massage. It will really help you guys. It will give that glow and spotless skin in just few days. Now comes the third use. Whenever you're applying any face mask or any face pack, just add the oil of the capsule in your face mask and give it a proper mix and apply it to your skin. Once it's dry, then wash it off and you will see the difference. And now comes the fourth use. You can apply it to your hair oil. When you're applying the hair oil, you can just put 3 to 4 capsules oil in the oil and mix it and then apply it on your scalp. If you have a dry scalp, it will really be very helpful to you guys. And if you have a dandruff problem, then also it is very beneficial. So use it for yourself. Comes the fifth use, which is very beneficial for the people who have a very dry skin. In this, what you have to do is, you just when you're applying the makeup, just before that, when you apply the primer, please mix 1 or 2 drops of this capsule's oil into your primer and just give it a mix and apply it on your face. This will make your skin look dewy and give it a glowy and shiny effect. So guys, these were my tips and tricks of how to use these vitamin E capsules. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update coming your way soon. Till then, keep stylish, keep happy. Love you guys. Bye.
Fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.